tired of bumping elbows every time you cook? Is your kitchen so small you can barely open the fridge and oven at the same time? What if I told you that a tiny space could work twice as hard without any construction? Hey kitchen friends, I'm Mia, and my kitchen used to be a total nightmare at just 240 square feet. But now, I actually love cooking in it. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you 5 amazing hacks that transformed my kitchen in 2025. These aren't just pretty ideas, they actually work. You'll see how to double your storage, create counter space out of thin air, and organize everything so you can find it in seconds. And hack number 3? It costs less than $50 but makes the biggest difference. Many of my viewers say these tips help them fall in love with cooking again. Ready to transform your kitchen from cramped to comfy? Let's dive right in. Hack number 1. Vertical magnetic organization. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake people make in small kitchens. They forget to look up. That's right, your walls are empty gold mines of storage space. See all that open wall? It's just waiting to help you. The hottest trend in 2025 is these new magnetic wall panels. They're not like the weak magnets from a few years ago. These new ones use super strong non-magnets hidden inside sleek bamboo boards. Let me show you how easy they are to put up. Just 2 screws and it's done. Now watch this. Everything you need is right in front of you, no more digging through drawers. Look at my counter before and after. I just freed up almost half my workspace. You can get these panels in 3 price ranges. The basic ones start at just $30. The mid-range ones match your cabinet colors. And if you want to splurge, the premium ones have built-in lights that turn on when you reach for something. Take a second right now and look at your own kitchen walls. Where could you put one of these panels? Maybe above your stove? Or that empty spot next to your fridge? Now, before I show you hack number 4, I want you to guess what room in your house inspired it. Here's a hint, it's probably the last room you think of for kitchen ideas. Ready to be surprised? Let's keep going. Hack number 2, smart multifunctional furniture. If you like that magnetic hack, just wait until you see what's coming next. Before I show you hack number 2, let me tell you it's been shared over 2 million times this month alone. Now, let's talk about furniture that works twice as hard as you do. In small kitchens, everything needs to pull double duty. This is where smart furniture comes in. Check out this amazing countertop extension. It looks so simple, but it hides some cool tricks. First, it gives you extra cutting space when you need it. But wait, see this circle here? It's actually a built-in scale for weighing ingredients. And this area? It wirelessly charges your phone while you cook. No more searching for outlets. The best part? When you're done, it just slides away. The new 2025 models are even cooler. You can just say, counter up, and it adjusts to the perfect height for you. Plus, it holds up to 60 pounds, strong enough for your mixer or food processor. Now, I know what you're thinking, this must cost a fortune. The smart version is about $199, which isn't cheap. But there's a manual version for just $79 that works almost as well. My friend Sarah in Portland put this in her tiny galley kitchen last month. She told me she gained 6 square feet of workspace. That's like adding a whole new counter. Now, I've got a question for you. What unused space in your kitchen could fit something like this? Under a window? Next to the fridge? Think about it while we move to hack number 3, which uses a part of your kitchen you've probably never even considered for storage. Hack number 3, modular ceiling storage system. Now for something you've probably never even thought about using in your kitchen. Look up. That's right, when your floors and walls are full, the ceiling is your new best friend. Most people never think about this empty area above their heads. In 2025, these modular ceiling track systems are changing everything. They're super easy to install, just like hanging curtain rods. Now watch this magic. These baskets hold all those things you don't use daily, your big soup pot, fancy serving dishes, or holiday bakeware. Need something? No ladder needed. Just wave your hand like this and the basket lowers right to you. The newest models are even smarter. They learn which items you use most often and make those easier to reach. Pretty cool, right? And if you care about the planet, you'll love this part. These are made from recycled ocean plastic. That means you're helping clean up the oceans while cleaning up your kitchen. Let me show you how I use mine. All these things used to clutter my cabinets. Now they're up and away until I need them. Remember when we used to climb on countertops to reach high shelves? Those days are over. So tell me in the comments, would you trust your dishes to ceiling storage? I was nervous at first too, but these tracks hold up to 30 pounds each. Now, get ready for hack number 2. It completely changed how I use the most wasted space in any kitchen. Can you guess what part of your kitchen takes up space even when you're not using it? Let's find out. Hack number 4. Transforming sink system. This next hack changed my kitchen life more than any other. Let's talk about your sink. Think about it, your sink takes up a huge chunk of counter space, but you only use it part of the time. What if it could do more? Meet the convertible sink system, the smartest idea of 2025. See these panels? They slide right over your sink when you're not washing things. This first panel is a cutting board. Now you can chop veggies right over the sink. All the scraps fall straight down for easy cleanup. The next panel has these holes. It's a built-in strainer for washing fruits or draining pasta. And my favorite part, this drying rack that sits right over your sink. No more wet counters or bulky dish racks eating up your space. Let me show you how it works in real life. I just prepped, washed, and drained everything without moving from this spot. The best news? You don't need a plumber to install this. It fits most standard sinks, and you can do it yourself in about 10 minutes. Now, I know $250 isn't cheap, but think about it, you're basically doubling your usable counter space. That's like getting a kitchen renovation for a fraction of the cost. Last month, I hosted a dinner party for 6 people in my tiny kitchen. Before the system, that would have been impossible. My guests couldn't believe how organized everything was. Now, are you ready for our number 1 hack? It's the one that changed everything about small kitchen storage in 2025. And trust me, you won't believe how much extra space it creates. Hack number 5, non-pantry organization. And now, the hack that's changing everything about small kitchen storage in 2025. Let's talk about pantry problems. Did you know that most pantry setups waste almost half of their potential space? All those different boxes and bags create dead zones where nothing fits. Say hello to the adjustable non-pantry system. These aren't just any containers. They're part of a smart system that works together. Each container is clear so you can see what's inside. They stack perfectly without wasting any space. And the coolest part? Each container has a tiny chip inside that tracks when your food expires. It even sends alerts to your phone when you're running low on something. Let me show you the difference. Look at that. Same space, but now everything is visible and easy to reach. No more forgotten food in the back of the cabinet. Most people find they create about 60% more storage with this system. That's like adding a whole new cabinet without any construction. Watch how easy it is to get things out and put them away. The pieces fit together like puzzle blocks, even in weird corner spaces. And they're made from this amazing new material that actually helps remove carbon from the air. They last for 10 years or more, so you're not creating waste. Now about the price, you can start small. The basic starter kit is just $45 for 5 containers. Then add more when you can. I started with just the basics for my baking supplies. Now my whole pantry is organized this way. It's completely changed how I shop and cook. No more buying things I already have. Now move to hack 6. Hack 6, drawer divider revolution. Did you know most people waste half their drawer space? Look at this mess. Everything jumbled together makes it hard to find what you need. Let me introduce you to 2025's drawer divider revolution. These aren't your old plastic separators. These new honeycomb dividers grow or shrink to fit any drawer size. No measuring needed. They're made of soft silicone that bends around your items. Watch how quick this is. In just 2 minutes, I've organized my entire utensil drawer. Now I can see and grab exactly what I need. No more digging through piles of stuff. The best part? These dividers cost just $15 for a pack of 12. They work for everything, not just utensils. Use them for spices, small gadgets, even bathroom items. My friend Jake tried these in his tiny apartment kitchen. He found space for 30% more utensils in the same drawer. Which of your messy drawers needs this hack right now? Hack 7. Corner Maximizer Shelves. Those kitchen corners are storage gold mines, but most people waste them completely. These new Corner Maximizer shelves change everything. They fit perfectly into those awkward corners where nothing else works. The magic is in the design. See how they slide out? Each shelf spins fully so you can reach everything, even stuff at the very back. No more forgotten food or lost containers. These shelves come in 3 heights. Put the tallest one in lower cabinets for pots and pans. Use medium ones for food storage. The small ones work great in upper cabinets for glasses and plates. Installation takes about 20 minutes with just a screwdriver. One corner shelf system gives you about 40% more storage than standard shelves. My neighbor tried these last month. She found 3 cake pans she thought she'd lost years ago. Which forgotten corner in your kitchen could use this smart solution? Hack 8. Foldable appliances. Appliances take up so much counter space, but the new 2025 foldable appliances are game changers. This isn't science fiction, it's reality. Check out this blender. When folded, it's half the size of regular blenders, but it works just as well. The secret is the new flexible silicone technology. When you're done using it, just push down and store it away. The same goes for this folding electric kettle and this collapsible toaster. They all work at full power but take up 60% less storage space. These appliances cost about 20% more than regular ones. But think about how much counter space you're saving. My sister has a kitchen the size of a closet. She replaced all her bulky appliances with these folding ones. Now she actually has room to chop vegetables. Which of your counter-hogging appliances would you replace first? Hack 9. Under cabinet charging station. Phones and tablets always clutter up kitchen counters. And those cords? Total trip hazards. Here's a brilliant 2025 solution: the under cabinet charging station. This thin device attaches to the underside of any cabinet. No one even notices it's there. But look what it does. It charges your devices using the latest magnetic charging tech. No plugs needed. The station holds up to 3 devices at once. It even has a little shelf that pulls out to prop up your tablet while you follow recipes. Installation takes 5 minutes with just 2 screws. Or use the special tape for rental apartments, no drilling required. The basic model costs about $40. The premium version adds speakers and a small screen for $75. My cooking buddy Mark installed one last week. He says his counter feels twice as big without all those devices lying around. Where under your cabinets would this work in your kitchen? Hack 10. Rolling island with hidden seating. Need more counter space and seating? This rolling island does both. During the day, it's extra prep space. But watch this magic. 4 stools hide completely inside. Pull them out when friends come over. Push them back when you're done. The top is a butcher block for cutting. The sides have hooks for towels and utensils. And look inside. The cabinet holds pots, pans, or even a small microwave. The whole island rolls on special locking wheels. Move it where you need it, then lock it in place. Use it by the sink while washing dishes. Roll it to the stove while cooking. Or push it against the wall when you need floor space. Islands like this used to cost hundreds. But the new 2025 models start at just $150. My cousin in his studio apartment got one last month. He says it's like having 3 pieces of furniture in one. Could a rolling island solve multiple problems in your small kitchen? Hack 11. Light up cabinet interiors. Dark cabinets hide your stuff and make your kitchen feel smaller. But these new stick-on cabinet lights make a huge difference. They're ultra-thin LED strips with built-in motion sensors. They turn on automatically when you open the door. No more using your phone flashlight to find things. The lights are battery-powered and last a full year before needing new batteries. Or get the slightly more expensive solar version that charges from your kitchen lights. Installation is super simple. Just peel and stick, no wiring or tools needed. Use them in upper cabinets, lower cabinets, even in drawers. A pack of 6 lights costs about $25. That's enough for most small kitchens. The difference is amazing. Everything in your cabinets suddenly becomes easier to find. Your kitchen instantly feels bigger and more organized. My aunt added these to her vintage kitchen last week. She found 3 spice jars she didn't know she had. Which dark cabinet in your kitchen needs these lights the most? Bonus hack 12: renter-friendly solutions. Before we wrap up, I promise you a special bonus hack for renters. We all know landlords can be strict about making changes. But this hack needs 0 drilling, 0 permanent changes, and 0 landlord problems. These expandable tension rods are like magic for small spaces. They work just like shower curtain rods, no tools needed. Just twist them to fit between your cabinets. They can hold up to 20 pounds each. Now let me show you 3 ways to use them. First, hang small baskets for fruits and veggies. This frees up precious counter space. Second, use them with S-hooks to hang pots and pans. Look how easy it is to grab exactly what you need. No more digging through stacked pots. Third, my favorite trick, hang small shelves between the rods for spices and cooking oils. Everything is right at eye level when you're cooking. These rods cost about $15 each at any home store. Some renters even take them when they move. We hope these ideas give you some fresh inspiration for your space. Even small changes can make a big difference, and the best part is, you don't need a huge budget to get started. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people like you. And don't forget to subscribe if you love easy, affordable home ideas. We share new tips every week. Got a favorite hack from this video? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear which one you'll try first. Or maybe you have a clever idea of your own. Feel free to share that too. And if you're looking for more smart, space-saving ideas, check out our full playlist linked below. We've got tons of simple and stylish solutions waiting for you. Thanks so much for watching.